Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to CUET UG Current Affair class Shaheen Group of Institution. I am your Abhilash. So today I am with the somewhat new topic which is very much relevant, very much important for all the competitive exams, especially when it comes to CUET exams. Yes, the topic is nothing but the books, the famous books and authors of India. Yes, we have come across in so many uh, competitive exams books and its author or the famous personalities of India. They have written their biography, autobiography, everything. So those questions are definitely can be seen in your question paper. Yes, so without the books and authors, our preparation seems to be very incomplete, very dull. Yes, so this can be the one of the most important class of mine because I have already discussed with so many classes in my previous class. All are important, but when it comes to books and authors, very very important. So do remember the names of the authors and names of the books. Yes, very important. When it comes to the books and authors, I have brought only those personalities books or only those books which are very much prominent and very much important for your all the competitive exams. Uh, Probably we have so many, we have more than 200, more than 500 books and personalities who have written their respective books, but I cannot bring all those on the screen. I cannot bring all those into my lectures. So I have brought only which are important for the exams point of view, or those books which have already been asked in your previous exams, be it any kind of competitive exams. So repetitive questions on repetitive books and authors which can be seen in the exams, only those facts I have brought on this screen. Yes, so please enjoy all these things on the same screen because I have brought 60 best authors and books and which can be asked in every exams. Without all these information, you cannot jump into any other books or authors. Yes, first remember all these facts, then only you can go with some other facts if you think you required more. Yes, so first of all, let me start from the historical authors and historical background. Since from the Mauryan, since from the ancient period. Yes, Kautilya. Kautilya, as you all know, Kautilya. Other name of the Kautilya is Chanakya. Chanakya is the other name of Kautilya. So Kautilya is his name is Chanakya. His name is Chanakya. He was a prime minister. He was a prime minister of Mauryan administration. Yes, prime minister of Mauryan dynasty. And he was assisting to the Chandragupta Maurya, the king Chandragupta Maurya. The king Chandragupta Maurya. Yes. Chandragupta Maurya. Yes. So Arthashastra is a book written by the Kautilya, and Kautilya has written so many good things in the Arthashastra, especially when it comes to the reasons for the administration, how a particular dynasty should rule, what are the basic things one should have to rule his entire empire or entire administration should be in a proper way. For example, his Saptanga theory was very much popular. Saptanga, seven angas. So he gave a very beautiful theory where to become a particular an empire very powerful and popular, we must have seven basic things. That is what Saptanga theory is included here in Arthashastra of Kautilya. Then coming to your Mahatma Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi, his autobiography, it is his autobiography, it is written by himself. Autobiography. My experiment with truth is very, very important for your exams point of view. Because Mahatma Gandhi has written this book mentioning every single detail of his entire life, since from childhood to till his death. So he has mentioned every detail, including all the movements, including his struggle with Britishers, including his freedom struggle, including his interaction with the mass population of this country, including his education in the Africa and even in Europe. So everything has mentioned in his autobiography. So it is very, very important. Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi is no doubt the father of nation. You can expect a question from this man, this legend. Yes. Then coming to the Kesari is a book written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is also known as Lokamanya. Lokamanya, meaning of this word is, Lokamanya means he is popular among the people. Lok and Manya. He is very popular among the people because this title was given to him during the Home Rule movement when he became very close to the mass, when he became very close to the people. The common people of India have attracted towards him because of his way of struggling for the country, his way of fighting against the Britishers and all. Yes, Lokamanya. So he has written this book, Kesari. Kesari is in Marathi language. Kesari is in Marathi language, and he has also written one more book. I have not mentioned here, but he has written one more book. That book name is called as Maratha. Yes, he has written one more book called as Maratha. Maratha. Who? The Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He has written two books, Kesari, and he has written so many books, but these two books are very popular. But among these two, Kesari is very, very important. Maratha is in English, whereas Kesari is in Hindi. Then, coming to the Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. The first Prime Minister of India, no doubt, is very famous, very legendary, very greatest politician, very greatest thinker, political thinker, Jawaharlal Nehru. He has written a book called as Discovery of India. It is his autobiography. He has written his own story. It is his autobiography. So, Discovery of India. Then he also has written one more book called as Glimpses of World History. Glimpses of World History. Here he mentions every detail about the India's relationship, India's political relationship with other countries, and India's role in World War, India's role in the trade and export relation with all other countries. Yes. Then Al-Hilal. Yes. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, one of the greatest writer. He was regarded as one of the legend in literature. Yes. So Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, he has written Al-Hilal. Then Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai is a famous freedom fighter, as you all know. Lal, Bal, Pal. Lala Lajpat Rai is one among all those three. Lala Lajpat Rai, Lal, Bal, Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, and Lal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Yes. So Lala Lajpat Rai has written Unhappy India. This has asked in recent Karnataka competitive exams. And War of Indian Independence, Veer Savarkar. Veer Savarkar, Veer Damodar Savarkar, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. He has written the War of Indian Independence. He is also the great freedom fighter. Yes. Then Gora. Gora is one of the best novel, best story written by Rabindranath Tagore. You cannot simply ignore this. Yes, please do remember. And Indian Mirror is written by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is considered as one of the best and the greatest political advisor during the freedom struggle, during the freedom movement. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the political advisor to the many politicians, many of India's administrators. Yes, do remember this one. Very important. Then Yugantar is Sir Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh is also one of the greatest political advisor and freedom fighter. He has written Yugantar. Then when it comes to some historical emperor, Humayun Nama and Gulbadan Begum. Humayun Nama and Gulbadan Begum. So Gulbadan Begum is a daughter of the Emperor Babur. Babur, as you all know, Babur was one of the greatest king, greatest emperor. His daughter is Gulbadan Begum, and Humayun also is also a son of Babur. It means Humayun and Gulbadan Begum are brother and sisters. So sister has written a book on his brother's achievement, Humayun Nama. Okay. Then coming to Safarnama or Rihla, Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta is a foreign traveler to India. He is from Morocco. Morocco is a North African country. He entered into India for his research purpose. He was more interested in India and India's trade relations, India's political administration. He was very much interested in everything. That is why he was considered as one of the greatest traveler to India, yes, from foreign. Then Jahangir, Tuzki Jahangiri. Jahangir is also no doubt one of the Mughal king. He has written an autobiography. It's called as Tuzki Jahangiri. A Passage to India, E.M. Foster. See, I have mentioned here the famous books and authors of India, but I have mentioned two authors from the two European authors. Let me explain it why. Because in most of the competitive exams, repeated questions on E.M. Foster and Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri is also not Indian author. Probably the name sounds like she is an Indian, but she is not Indian. Okay, she will come in here in my next slide. So I'll explain about her. So Jhumpa Lahiri and E.M. Foster are two European authors, but still I have included them in my list because whatever the book they have written, it is with respect to India. They have written the books and stories in which India's freedom fighters have been mentioned, India's geographical feature have been mentioned. Totally, they were more interested in India. That is why what I have felt, these thing is important. That is why I have mentioned it here. Okay, don't get confused. Then a suitable boy is Vikram Seth. Vikram Seth is one of the greatest author, and a suitable boy is his novel. Then Gitanjali once again. See, Gora and Gitanjali, the famous books. Gitanjali is very important. Gitanjali is Rabindranath Tagore's. Okay, you can remember it is very easy, and everybody knows about this. Then Living Mountain is Amitabh Ghosh is once again he is a author. Vikram Seth and Amitabh Ghosh are no doubt India's famous authors. Living Mountain. Then coming to the Meghna Pant. Meghna Pant, no doubt she is a very well prominent writer, a novelist, and she has also won so many awards. She is a famous writer. She has written The Terrible, Horrible and Very Bad Good News. Yes. Then The Freedom in Exile is written by Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama is no doubt he is a great monk. Okay, his speeches, his books and his novels are especially his spiritual advices are so famous. So he has written a book called as Freedom in Exile. It is purely related with when the Tibetans were being transferred to India. So during that moment, he felt very bad, and out of his heart, out of his bad experience, he come up with a new book that is called as Freedom in Exile. Then Pandit Ravi Shankar, the greatest musician, as all of us know about him. So he has written a book called as My Music, My Life. Then Jhumpa Lahiri. Yes, I was talking about this. Yes, Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri is also a European author. She is an American English writer, but here why I am mentioning about Jhumpa Lahiri is because she is more interested in Indian things. She writes all the novels or stories or the books based on India. Okay, so that is why she definitely is an important personality. Yes, White Tiger, very important. Arvinda Adiga, Booker Prize in the 10 years before. He has become very much famous because of he has got a Booker Prize. Booker is one of the greatest prize given to the best book. Okay, Booker. He won the Booker Prize for his best book, White Tiger, Aravinda Adiga. Unbreakable, Mary Kom is a boxer and a Olympic medalist. She is a very pride of India when it comes to the women empowerment, women achiever or women medalist in the Olympic. Yes, Mary Kom is no doubt, she is from Northeast, she is from Assam, and she has written a book called as Unbreakable. Then Sachin Tendulkar, no doubt, a cricket player, a legend, is called as a little master, and he is also called as a god of cricket, and he was also a member of Rajya Sabha, and he has written a book called as Playing It My Way. Playing It My Way is his best book, right? So then coming to the green signals, ecology, growth and democracy in India is by Jairam Ramesh. Jairam Ramesh is a famous politician, an MP. He has remained MLA for so many years also. Then transcendence, my spiritual experience with Pramukh Swamiji Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam has written so many books. This is also one among them because everybody knows Wings of Fire. Abdul Kalam's famous book is Wings of Fire. But the examiner will ask you what you don't know. Wings of Fire is also written by Abdul Kalam, but Abdul Kalam has also written a book called as Transcendence, My Spiritual Experience with the Pramukh Swamiji. So if this question is asked in the exam, nobody will even guess it has been written by the Abdul Kalam. Yes, so please do remember all these things. Rebooting India, realizing a billion aspirations, Nandan Nilekani and Viral Shah. Nandan Nilekani is a politician as well as a businessman. Okay, then Dreaming Big, My Journey to Connect India, Sam Pitroda, Devi Shanaf and an American author. Sam Pitroda is an Indian writer and he is a very famous author. Okay, so he has written so many books and please do read his books. His books are very popular. So Midnight's Children, Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie is a very controversial person, very controversial personality because of his the controversial writings. Okay, but his Midnight's Children has got international award. That is why please do remember this also. India Shastra, Reflections of the Nation in Our Time. Shashi Tharoor, a very famous politician from Kerala and very intelligent as well. He is known for his the fluent English speaking. So Shashi Tharoor has written his book India Shastra, Reflections of the Nation in Our Time. Then a manifesto for change, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. As I told you, Abdul Kalam Ji has written so many books. Wings of Fire is his autobiography. He has written so many other books also, but we don't know, in fact, right? So manifesto for change. Beyond 2020, a vision for tomorrow's India, APJ Abdul Kalam again. The mother I knew, Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is the social reformer, the present day social reformer. She is a businessman and she is known for her services to the women. She is working day in and out for the betterment of this country's women. Yes, Sudha Murthy. She is from Karnataka and she is a wife of a famous businessman. Yes. Then Infosys, no doubt, Narayan Murthy and founder Narayan Murthy. Who is Narayan Murthy? Narayan Murthy is the founder of Infosys. So she is also owner. Definitely, she is a wife. Then and the mountain echoed Yes, Khaled Hosseini. Khaled Hosseini, this I have mentioned here because this book has got recently an international award because of its unique writing, right? Khaled Hosseini. Then Tughlaq Nama Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro, a very famous historian, and during the time of Akbar, he was a very prominent writer, and he has written a Tughlaq Nama. Then Subhash Chandra Bose, Indian struggle. Definitely, Subhash Chandra Bose, a very, very powerful Indian freedom fighter. No doubt, he has written a very famous book called as Indian Struggle. Then, the poverty of political economy, how economics abandoned the poor. Meghna Desai. Meghna Desai is a social reformer. She is also doing social service, and she has been a voice for the poor women. Okay. Then, unfinished, a memoir, Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Priyanka Chopra is no doubt, she is a Bollywood actress. She married to Nick Jonas, that is why she has got this surname. She has written a book called as Unfinished, a memoir. So this can also be seen in your question paper. Yes, these are the famous books, authors, and I have also given some extra information regarding the book or the authors. So all these things can be read with respect to exam. So don't go very detail or deep into this. No need to know how many chapters, no need to know how many pages, no need to know in which language it has been written. No, all those things cannot be seen in exams, but because you are preparing for CUET UG undergraduation. When it comes to some higher competitive exams, yes, obviously detailed knowledge about all these books and authors are definitely very, very important. As I have told you, the famous personalities, famous books and authors of India. So Arthashastra, the Kautilya's Saptanga theory, My Experiment with Truth, Mahatma Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi's autobiography, Kesari, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he is also called as Lokamanya. Kesari is in Marathi language. He has also written one more book called as Maratha, which is in English language. Discovery of India is written by the first Prime Minister of India, the greatest political advisor as well. He has written a book called as Discovery of India. It is his own autobiography. And he has also written one more book called as Glimpses of World History. It is written by the same Jawaharlal Nehru. Then Al-Hilal Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad is one of the greatest legend in literature. Then when it comes to unhappy India, Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai, a famous freedom fighter. When it comes to Lal Bal Pal, Lal stands first. That is what Lala Lajpat Rai. He is one of the greatest leader, political advisor, and he was also a greatest politician. That is why he is very famous. And I have mentioned his book here, Unhappy India. When it comes to Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, shortly he is called as Veer Savarkar, the famous freedom fighter, and he has written a book called as War of an Indian Independence. So Rabindranath Tagore is no doubt the author of our national anthem. National anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. He has also written a national anthem for Bangladesh as well. Okay, he is known for his unique way of writing. He has also written Gitanjali, Gora. All these are his famous books. So I have mentioned Gitanjali here. See, where is, yes, here Gitanjali, it is written by Rabindranath Tagore again, and here Gora is also written by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, we might know about the Gitanjali, but we usually don't know about the Gora. That is why I have given much more preference to this Gora, because people usually get confused with this, who has written the book Gora. Yes, so other famous personality. All are famous personalities and their books. So these are very, very important for your exams point of view. So please be prepared. Please go through all the famous books and authors, and especially recent books. I'll bring one more lecture on the books of international books and international authors. Okay, international authors and books are also equally important. When we are writing competitive exams for India, Indian authors and books are important, no doubt. But international important is also equally important. So I will make one more lecture on the books and authors of international famous personalities. Okay, till then we will meet in my next class. Till then, goodbye. So be prepared and study hard. Get success very soon.